Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to Kai Academy. My name is Sevinch, and if you guys are new here, please subscribe. Before we start, let me tell you about myself a bit. I prepare these tutorials on digital world each day, and I try to focus on new content with each video. If you have any problems or questions, just write them in the comments below. I regularly check them and I'll answer them back, or maybe make a video to answer your question or solve your problem. If you have any mobile apps or websites for me to check, just share that in the comments below and I'll be glad to review. My channel is growing now with your support, and thanks for that. And for sponsorships, you could contact me via email you'll see below. And now let's get started. Today I'm going to talk about an app called Picsart Photo and Video Editor. And as you can see on the screen right now, it has 4.4 stars out of 5. And if you're over 12 years old, you can use this app, and you can just use this quick and easy video editor to add trendy filters, cool effects, fun stickers, awesome fonts, and more to make your clips pop. And Picsart is the best all-in-one photo and video editor on mobile, and you can unleash your creativity with one of the most popular apps with over 1 billion downloads to date, and it gives you everything you need to create awesome edits. The best part, it's free, so there is a free version available, but also there are in-app purchases, and I'll show you later. And you can edit photos, videos, and you can have fun with sticker maker and collage maker, and you can doodle your own photos and do way more, and there's no professional experience needed. And Picsart is compatible with iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, Android as well, and the developer is Picsart Inc. And you can see the preview here. This is all-in-one editor, and you can just create awesome collages, and you can add stickers, you can use video editor, and you can learn with replay. And I'll just give you more details in a minute. So you can just see the preview just like that. iMessage stickers, paint with stickers, and tap magic, and just you can see so many photos and videos like that. And what are the key features of this app? Let's start with photo editor. And with photo editor, you can try hot filters for pictures, and you can just try trendy photo effects, and I'll show you on the app itself. At first, to download it, go to the App Store if you're using iPad or iPhone, and then when you download it, tap open, and we'll just go to the app, and we are here right now. So this is the main page, the home screen. So I'll show you from here. And yeah, so as you can see, this is the home screen, and you can just sign up, and you can just get some recommendations for your video or for your photos. And also you can discover new ideas from these pictures that's shared here, and you can just see like that. And just you can look at the challenges. And the other thing, you can see your profile here. On the bottom of the screen you can tap and you can see your profile also. And you can just see the plus icon here, tap plus icon. And then you can just look at your own photos and videos, and from there you can just choose and start editing your videos or photos very quickly. So you can just access impressive background eraser. You can cut out photos with this app, and you can erase backgrounds, and also you can remove objects and get amazing photo retouch, and you can use millions of outstanding free images or edit your own pictures. And you can just speak your mind and add text to photos using more than 200 aesthetic fonts. And you can just get a stunning makeover with beautify tools, hair color changer, makeup stickers, and more. And you can just blur photo backgrounds with a smart selection tool. You can create beautiful double exposure edits and blend photo layers. And yeah, there are so many options here. So let's go to the home screen, and from there you can just look at all the things, all the examples here. So maybe we can try this one. So I chose a picture now, and yeah, I chose this picture, and I'll apply and just, so you can just choose different filters here. I love this one, maybe this one. Yeah, so after that you can just go to next, and you can just arrange all the settings from here, and then go to next again. And after that you can just blur the picture. You can just see the difference, right? We're just blurring the background with that. So I think that's much better now. Yeah. And also you can just change the color, the background. You can just add some shadow. And if you're okay with that, if you're happy with the results, just go to the next section. And stickers. Also you can add some stickers. And for example, there is a text here. You can just add a text here, and you can adjust it or rotate. For example, you can rotate it as well. I think I loved the style of it, so I'll go to next. And then so from here you can just choose different ones, like we'll see they just give different effects with each filter. So you have so many options, and so many of them are free to try. And let's go on and by just tapping next. So, and you can just do other things like you can add stickers, you can use beautify tools, and yeah, you can just see here now. And auto mode, face, wrinkle, smooth, eye bag, face fix. These things are for, you know, for face basically. So we'll just cancel and then go to next again. And that's it. The only thing is, you know, you can just get 7-day free trial, but after that you need to subscribe. To get some ideas, you can just, you know, try that for 7 days, and after that you can decide if you love this one, if you love this app or not. And also, what are other key features of this app? For example, photo effects. You can outline selfies with the hottest sketch effects, and you can turn portraits into artistic masterpieces with canvas effects and create trending drip art. And you can use dripping effects, stickers, and customize the blend mode. And you can cartoon yourself with amazing magic effects to turn photos into cartoons. And with drawing tool, you can use Picsart Draw with cool customizable brushes, layers, and pro drawing tools, and you can doodle on pictures whenever you're bored. and get a transparent clothes effect. And you can create art and illustrations from scratch or just draw something inspiring for fun. And you can create trending edits in a few taps, and you can cut editing time in half with easy customizable steps. You can edit multiple photos in the same style, and you can keep your Instagram feed on trend and consistent by creating personal presets. So what are the pros and cons of this app? Picsart has an incredible amount of features to edit and add effects to your images. The app has its own community, and you can share your images to popular social networks. And I think the only bad, the only bad part of it maybe the interface that tends to get really crowded while using Picsart. And I think we need that to just, make all these changes with the picture or video. But, it could be a problem for many users because there are so many things to choose. And maybe it could be a little bit simpler than that. I don't know. What are you thinking about? Have you ever used this app, and what are the pros and cons of using this app for you? And just let me know in the comments below. I think that's it for now. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thanks for watching. The quickest way to support this channel is to click on the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, or leave a comment below, and feel free to share with your friends or anyone you think would enjoy this content, and I'll talk to you all very soon. Bye.